Start.
Good evening everyone, I am Madhavi. Now we are here to discuss about the topic technology. Is it bad or good? According to me, technology is good because by using technology we can save our time and we can know whatever you don't know. For example, you didn't see in America. If you search in Google, you can see all the images and all the things about America.
It reduces human efforts and we can save time also. Nowadays, technology becomes an important aspect of human life. In day-to-day life, we can't live without technology. We can learn so many things from technology.
Yes, I can agree with you. In a short span of time, nowadays we can learn more. As well as our engineers, we can earn money also. We can earn money by creating websites and applications like that. We can earn money also. So that is the main advantage. One of the advantage.
I agree with what you said. Our friends have said whatever they said. That's good. I want to add a few more points. Nowadays, technology is broadly expanding. It's so useful to learn things, and there are so many technologies available. Let us take an internet. There's so much data stored in search engines. They provide us the matters to educate ourselves.
I will add one more point to you. And nowadays technology is developed. We reduce the human effort. That's also agree with you, Har. So nowadays we go to bank and draw the money. Just we simply go to ATM, draw the money. The technology developed. So some of them they are interrupted and distracted towards the bad to that technology. Is our efforts are less. Our importance to the technology is not much care about the technology, what the aspects we are used to in technology in phones, that security, what purpose.
In real life also we didn't have that much of security. Suppose if we go to bank, then any robber it may happen, right? So in technology also improving, security is also improving. So
Yes.
that is not the thing. But in present situation, technology is very good and it is improving a lot. Lot the human being skills, and also we have a lot of uses with that.
Before 10 years, the technology is somewhat very late and very not advantageous. But after 10 years, today we are having advantages of technologies and very big growth in technology, because we are reducing the human effect, and within seconds and within minutes we are completing the work and internet bankings and bankings, and in everywhere technology is very helpful to human beings, and it will reduce the human effort. But it having a very advantages and disadvantages also. We are focusing on advantages and we are also focusing on disadvantages also.
Yes, I am agreeing with Mr. Krishna. But nowadays technology is improving. Because that why so much of effort is done, and so much of effort is done by someone, and we are using simple uses. That is the technology. Now I want to give some explanation about how technology improving and how misusing this technology. Okay. Take mobile networks. Now, mobile networks are improving a lot because it is giving much more information on web and phone call, using video calling and messaging, all of this. But by giving this mobile technology in India, mainly mobile networks are so much giving mobile networks in India mostly, but they build a tower. That tower gives some radioactive radars on waves released from the mobile network. Okay, this may lead to hazardous to everyone, and human and animals also. That is point I want to say.
As what you are saying is correct, but we are more other technology to reduce the radiation also.
Okay, I'm
Yes,
agreeing with
yes.
you, but we are having the disadvantage of radioactive through mobile networks. By using technology, we will reduce the that thing also. So by using technology, we will create the problem and we will solve the problem by using technology itself.
Yes,
As a-
but
as a-
I don't agree with. I'm saying I am not agreeing with some of the points because if because of the as Azhar said about the radiation, because of the radiations only now the these some of the birds squirrels are extincted. We are all know that because of extinction we are losing the biological ecosystem and we are not gaining that we are not providing any solutions to that and because of the day by day we are getting more radiation and due to this we are having global warming and these are all happening over here. In some of the few years the human will also extinct. In yesterday news I saw it. In some of years, I think around 200 years or 300 years, the human era also will extinct.
Yes,
Yes, I will agree with this point.
And one of the main point is that technology is growing very fast, and to reducing for nature also, they are taking some of our committees and corporations are taking much care on this. They are also focusing on how to implement our nature and come back as
Yes, I agree with this point because there are so many computers are available and so many research are going on computers. New technology is ongoing research is quantum technology. If that technology comes in people, once it's successful, then there will be no matter of radiation and no matter of effect. And I want to add some more few points. And nowadays technology making our lives easy. Why? Because a unknown person who don't know a particular place, he can go to that place by
Searching on
looking maps in his phone or in laptops. That's why I'm saying nowadays technology is making people life easy.
I will agree with you, but not only it is making easy, and it's also making people lazy. Because of that technology, people are completely depending upon the machines and technology only. They are losing their inner strength and value. But apart from this technology, there are good points also. In past days, there is no sufficient technology to if somebody fell ill. No sufficient technology to detect which disease is attacked to him. But now X-ray, CCG, scanning, with all these things we can easily know what is the problem and we can easily solve that.
okay, I'm exactly agree with you. The thing is why we have to think like that. Most of the people are not lazy. By making this technology is lazy, we are not thinking like that. In 1 hour work, we are completing in 10 minutes. Then we have to work some more extra work. So all the people think like that, we can move forward very fast.
Of course, if people think good, it is no problem. But many people are just taking the cell phone and chatting like that. And, actually, they are not using it in proper way.
because of
Yeah,
technology.
it depends on how you are
Behavior.
using it and how you are
Yes,
utilizing.
I agree with you all. In technology is now improving in all fields, but I think some of the technology is descending the thinking power of the human because of some of the things. If you know, we have to some calculations. We are simply going to the calculators and these things. In small schools also, the teachers are
Motivated to-
motivated to do the things and the things the students are learning how to they are learning how to use calculators, not calculations.
That's why they are focusing.
I will agree with
I'd like to
I will add to one more point. Technology also reduce the span of human life. Now, past days it will one man will live on only 100 years. Nowadays its span is very reduced, 50 or 60 because of only technology. And pollution. Technology makes pollution.
And maybe
And evolution also.
adding on one more point, technology is reducing somewhat thinking capabilities in our childish mentalities, and it will also reduce the conventional teaching methods in teaching people, and also somewhat lazy in communication.
I exactly agree with you, Mumsi. And I would like to add one more point that in previous days human beings are very intelligent, and nowadays we have IQs, lot of IQ. We can store more memory. As compared to a computer, we can parallelly run with that. But intelligence is gradually decreasing.
Like with you, if there is no Google and Wikipedia, we will try to remember the points. But now we are simply saying that we have Google, so no need to remember anything. And then our mind is gradually loses capacity. Okay, I agree with all points. I want to say something. What I'm going to say is there is a good phase and a bad phase for technology. I agree good phase, and there is we have to agree for bad phase also. Why I'm saying I'm agreeing with bad phase is however the technology improving, while the improving of technology, there is a gap between people is also increasing. So many students and so many people are they are spending a lot of time with technical devices, not with our friends and any other things.
Yes.
WhatsApp and all these things, we are socializing. We are thinking like that we are socializing, but we are not socializing because we don't know how to communicate with others lively. We communicate virtually to them, but we can't communicate with good skills to lively, and we are losing some of the good communication capabilities also.
Of course, your point is correct, but I want to say with direct communication, we will communicate with only our friends and neighbors only. But using this technology, we can communicate throughout the world, in other countries, other parts. Then we will know their culture and traditions. But without this technology, we can't easily communicate with them. We can know everyone can go to America and interact with them. But using this, we can interact with them.
That's one I will agree with you. Yes, it is good for technology. It's now improving nowadays. The technology moves on worldwide. So we can chat with anywhere in the person and everywhere. It is now possible in letters, and it will take more time. Within seconds we can contact any person in the world via technology only.
Yeah, some
improve
emergency will be there for some situations. For that, technology is much
The
good.
scope of the
It is good for us.
Yes, and the format of sending message is also very important. Nowadays